To perform sitting twists on the mat with a dumbbell, start by sitting on the floor with your knees bent and feet interlaced, lifted a few inches off the ground. Hold one dumbbell securely with both hands at chest level. Engage your core to keep your back straight and your balance centered. Lean back slightly, forming a V shape with your torso and thighs. Keep your chest open and shoulders relaxed. While maintaining this position, twist your torso to the right, bringing the dumbbell beside your hip. Pause briefly, then twist to the left, moving the dumbbell across your body to the opposite hip. This completes one rep. Focus on rotating from your torso, not just moving your arms side to side. Breathe steadily and keep your core engaged throughout the movement to protect your spine and improve control. Perform the exercise slowly to maximize muscle activation and avoid momentum. Aim for 10 to 20 reps per set, depending on your fitness level. This movement targets the obliques, rectus abdominis, and hip flexors, enhancing core strength and stability. Please check my next video.